Good afternoon. I hope you get the point. There is some devices in order to get my terrible French accent. So, first of all, I have a very good news for you. I am not English. And I was a big supporter of Colombia. So, viva Colombia, okay? It was very, very short. And great match, thank you. I'm very, very pleased to be here in Colombia because as a Philips leader, we believe that we can really help Colombia to make a big step forward in terms of healthcare informatics. And for that, I would like to share with you this person that you see on the left-hand side. His name is Alfred. 83 years old, and Alfred is basically suffering from dementia. This is very, very difficult for his family because basically he's losing memories, he's requiring a lot of attention. Unfortunately, we don't know how to treat dementia. But today, we know that we can possibly see some pre-signs of dementia. And we hope that in the future, healthcare informatics can help us to help persons like Alfred. Alfred is my father. And I strongly believe that healthcare informatics can make a difference. Why? Basically, I am very old, and I know that my brain is shrinking, like everyone in this room. And the question is really much more, is your brain shrinking normally, or is your brain shrinking much faster? And if your brain is shrinking much faster, then maybe you will start developing some neurodegenerative disease. Now, with the combination of imaging and IT, we can start tracking over the time those very, very small differences. And this can help people like Alfred to possibly getting some treatment before we start having some big symptoms. Now, the way we do this is by using electronic medical records, those kind of IT systems that exist in hospital that combine all this information over the time for all the patients, including family story, lab tests, including images. And basically those advanced solutions are now available for Colombia. Philips is committed to develop electronic medical records as we did for Brazil, as we did for Mexico. We would like to do it here in Colombia. Now, the way we do that is using some kind of smartness of IT. So basically, you collect information, but you don't give all this information to the nurses, to the doctors. You just select the right information at the right time in the right context. What we have been learning by implementing more than 1,000 hospitals is that nurses and doctors, they are tired of having too many information. And what they want is just, they want the right information at the right time. Now, this is the kind of result we have been getting after years of working on the design, where basically you see a cockpit of the right relevant information for each patient to be used by the nurses, by the doctors, by the medical staff. Now, why such a system is so important now? It's because it gives really insightful information to the doctors at the time of the diagnosis. And I would like to give you some examples. Here, the first benefits of an electronic medical records like Philips is developing is to enter into the era of precision medicine, where you combine not only images, but as well patient data, lab data, genomics data. This is a 1-day-old baby. He has been born with a cardiac malfunction. And basically, we need to operate this young baby just 1 day after his birth. Now, the problem is that this heart of this baby is the size of a nut. And maybe there is 1 or 2 surgeons in the country that can do that. Now, the beauty of having healthcare informatics systems is that you can use some center of excellence to basically guide the doctor in order to develop the right procedure, the right surgery for this baby. And you cannot miss it, huh? This is an example where you combine images of this baby, of the heart of the baby. You have a 3D reformat of the heart of this baby. And basically the surgeon will use this model in order to prepare his surgery for the heart of this baby. This is the kind of benefits of what I call precise medicine. A second big benefit of healthcare informatics solution is basically the continuum of information in the hospital to the home. You know, unfortunately, I am a French person and I like drinking wine. And, you know, I would love to possibly control a little bit more my health as a patient. Now, imagine that I have basically the possibility of communicating with doctors when comes some symptoms, when comes some overweight, when comes some problems for cardiac disease. This is the power of those healthcare platforms, connecting the hospitals and home. And you know, when you look at Colombia, with those structure that exists with EPS, you have here a possibility of making those connections between hospitals and patients at home. And by the way, you can save a lot of money for the system. Now, a third element, a third benefit, is basically the fact that you can really manage the population. And we have some example in Brazil where our systems has been deployed not only for one hospital, but for group of hospitals, dealing with the population within a state. Here we are talking about millions of people, but then those population health management systems allow those hospitals to manage population, do some risk stratification, and start developing some programs for preventive medicine, targeting chronic disease, for example. Then you move from treating the patient when he has a symptom to basically entering into the preventive medicine area. Now, I just want to give you a little bit of sense about what is the future of those IT systems and what are the elements on which Philips is working on. And here you have the example of a patient, Daniel, that is in the intensive care unit. Now, imagine a system that basically can monitor the vital sign of Daniel and already alert the nurse where there is a pattern that is not normal. Now, the system, because it sees those patterns that are not normal, can already trigger some possible diagnosis and some possible suggestion for treatment. This is the power of adaptive intelligence that will be, in the future, the next generation of EMR. To conclude, I hope I have been giving you a flavor about the importance of digital healthcare platform with the next generation of EMR. You could see that those platforms allowed connections, allowed precise medicine, and at the end of the day, help patients to have a better life. And I hope with that, it will help the future Alfred in the world. Thank you very much.